Hello everyone. Today your discussion is on square roots. So square roots is that so far we have discussed about that square, perfect square. Okay. So now this exercise is based on square roots. So what does it mean that square roots? So see here. Suppose you take one number 25. Okay, 25 is perfect square number. So that number I can write it is equal to 5 square. That means 25 I can write it as a 5 square. So 25 is 5 square. So if I take square root, if I take square root, it is denoted as this one. This is square root. Okay. So if I take square root of 25, so square root of 25, so it will be like this, 5 square. Okay, that means this square and this root will get cancelled. So no need to do cancel. Just for first time I am explaining that this 2 and this square root will get cancelled, only 5 will be there. Okay, square root means suppose 25 square root. Now this means that 25 power 1 by 2. Okay, square root of 25 means 25 power 1 by 2. So 25 means what? 25 means nothing but your 5 square. Again after that outside the bracket your power is the 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 and this numerator 1 by 2 get cancelled. So 5 power 1 means how much? 5. Okay, so this one is called the square root. So see the definition. The square root of a number n is that number which when multiplied by itself give n as the product. When it is multiplied by itself, n as the product. Okay, find square root of a perfect square. So to find a square root, how to find a square root of a perfect, suppose perfect square number it is given, that number you have to find the square root. So how will you find? So there are two methods there. One is prime factorization method and another one is long division method. So prime factorization method means first you have to, whatever number it is given, which number square roots you have to find, that numbers, all the prime factors you have to find first. You have to first find. So after finding, okay, so here see factors of 2916 is this one. Okay, so now if maybe after finding the factors of 2916 are this all are factors of 2916. So now we have to find the prime factors. So at that time what you have to see, whatever factors are there, that factors are occurring how many times. So for this two, I am writing here 2 into 2, again 3 into 3, again 3 into 3, again 3 into 3. So 1, 2, 3. So in the previous video we have done that pairing. So for these two I have given one pair, for this one pair, this one pair, this one pair. That means they are perfect square number. The 2916 is perfect because pair is there. Okay, so this all I can write it as a 2 square, for this 2 square, into for this 3 square, for this 3 square, again for this 3 square I can write. Is it okay? So I have written here, see the factors of 2916 I have written. Now we need to find the square root. So square root of 2916 I have written. So then it will be also a square root of 2 square, 3 square, 3 square, 3 square. So in all the terms here square is there, and here outside the break and outside whole square root is there, na? That means all the square will get cancelled with this root. Is it? So if it is get cancelled, what will be remaining? Only the except that power, only that base number will be there. Base, what are there in the base? 2 3 3 3, 2 3 3 3. Okay, So now 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 9 6 are 54. So that is square root of, that means if you directly find in question it is asked square root of 2916 is nothing but what, 54. That means if you multiply 54 into 54, then you will get 2916. Understood? And there is another method, long division method. This one is new for you, so try to understand first. Okay, so for this one better I am doing, okay, say this one, long division method. So here it is given 6 7 2 4. Okay, so in this there are 4 numbers is there. So from the right side you have to start two numbers you have to take from the right side. First I have taken these 2 number, then after I have taken these 2 number. Okay, that means from the right side you have to start. But how many numbers is there from the right side? You have to take 2. Suppose it is, see, it is given 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Sorry, this number is given that 3 9 8 4 1 like this it is given. You have to find the square root. That means from the right side you have to start from right side 2, then another 2. Now this 3 is remaining. That means you have to first start with only one number 3, then after these 2 number, then after these 2 number. Okay, so from the right side we have to start. So 24, then after 67. So for this, now for this 67 I have to do the division process. So in that case we are finding long division. Long division means square root. Square root means same number. Suppose if you multiply 5 square, then only we will get 25, na? Or if you divide by 25 by 5, then what you will get, 5 only, na? So that means what is your divisor, that will be your quotient. So here your divisor, if I take 8, here also I have to take it as a 8. Okay, because we are finding a square root. So see, here 67 is there. If I take 7, here also I have to take 7. So 7 7s are 49 it will be. 7 7s are 49, but we need 67. So let's try one bigger number. So I have taken as 8. 8 8s are 64. If I take 9, 9 9s are 81. It is more than 67, like division process, more than 67. So I have to take the 8. 8 8s are 64. So if I take 8 8s are 64, 67 minus 64 it will be 3. Again after that 2. If we take, then in the division process what we have done, that after that divisor, that this one number will come first, then after this number. But here we have taken the pair form, na? So from the, after subtracting here, 3 will come. 67 minus 64 is 3. Then this 24, directly this both the 24 will come here, both the 2 digit will come here, directly 24 will come here. So it will be, because here I have given the Barna, so that means these 2 together will come 24, 324. Now here I have taken 8, here also I have taken 8, no? So whatever is your quotient, that will 2 times will be there here. So if you take here 8, so it will be 16. Okay, that means with 16 something we have to divide. Now I have taken here 16. Now let's try. We need 324. So we need 324. So if I divide with 116, if you take here 1, here also you have to take 1. So if I divide with multiply with 1 16, so 161. It is very smaller than 324. Let's try with some big number. Let's take, see here in the last digit 4 is there, na? So if I multiply with 162 by 2, then there is a chances of getting 4. 2 to the 4, na? So that's why I have taken 2 to the 4, 6 to the 12, 1, 2 1 the 2, plus 1 3, 324. Here 324 only there. That means 162 into 2 is 324. Okay. Okay, so your square root of 6724 is 82. Now exercise. Further we will discuss this, some problems will be there, na, in exercise. There we will discuss again. Exercise 3b. Find by prime factorization the square root of the following. You have to find by prime factorization. First what you have to do, prime numbers, there is one number I have done in prime factorization method. In one number I have done, so 2 number 3 4 5, all this you have to do by yourself. First you have to find the factors, then after you have to take the pairs, and from each pair one number will come. Okay, now 2 number, square root of the following. Here also same, but it is given in the fractional form. So in this question I will do the 3 number. Okay, so 1225 divided by 2025. First of all we have to do what? We have to find the factors of numerator denominator. So this is the factors of denominator. 2025 means this one, and 1225 means this one. Okay, now I have written here. Now the question, it is given this one, 1225 by 2025, that is 5 into 5 here only, no, 5 into 5 into 7 into 7, and 2025 factors are this one, 5 2 5 and 4 3, this 2 5 4 3. So for this one, for this bracket, so these two I can cancel, because numerator 2 5, denominator 2 5, it will get cancelled. So I have cancelled. Now what we have to find? We have to find the square root. So I have taken the square root. Therefore square root, if I take this side square root, here also it will be square root. So square root of 7 into 7, because I have already cut here na 5 5, so 7 into 7, and denominator it will be 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. So since here see, it is given, it will be like this, 7 into 7 divided by 3 into 3 bracket again 3 into 3 now. So see one thing, 7 into 7, so I can write 7 square, and denominator 3 into 3, 3 square, and then 3 square. No? So this square and square will get cancelled, all numerator denominator. Or you can do one thing, see, without doing this, since here all the numbers are in pair, this also in pair, this also in pair, this also in pair. So what I can do, from each pair, if from each pair one number will be there. So from this pair, from these two, 1 7 will be there. From this 2 3 1 3 will be there, since multiplication given. From this 3 1 3 will be there. So that is, it will be 7 by 9. This will be your answer. Okay. Similarly, see 5 number also, it is given 0 point, how many decimal places? How many decimal places there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 decimal places. So 1 by 10 power 8, 49 by 10 power 8. Now we have to find the square root. Square root of 49 by 10 power 8, it will be how much? 49 means 7 square, and 10 power 8 means how many pairs are there? 10 power 8 means 10, how many 8 zeros are there. So I can write like this, 10 into 10, again 10 into 10. So like this, how many pair? 4 pair will be there. So from each pair one I will take, then it will be how much? 10 power 4. Okay. Now so question number 3, simplification. Here 1 number, 2 number you can do by yourself. This 3 number I have done. So 1 by 2 square by square root of 0.25. 1 by 2 square I have written 1 by 2 square, or you can write 1 by 4. But 0.25 means 0.2 decimal places na. 25 means 5 square, or 0.25 means, so I can write 0.5 whole square na. Then only if I multiply 0.5 into 0.5, then only I will get 0.25 na. So what I have written, see 3 number, 0.5 square, so square and square root will get cancelled, so it will be 1 by 4 plus 0.5. 0.5 means, okay, then 1 by 4 means 0.25, so 0.25 plus 0.5 is 0.75. Okay. 4 number, see 4 number, it is given It's easy only, just you go through this. 4 number is given is minus of square root 4 by 9. 4 means 2 square, 9 means 3 square. That means it will be 2 by 3. Again 81 by 100. 81 means 9 square and 100 is 10 square. So that means square and square get cancelled. It will be 9 by 10. Okay, so minus of 2 by 3 multiplication, minus bracket is there, that means it is multiplication na, minus 9 by 10. So minus minus it will be plus, and 2 into 9 and then it will be 3 into 10. So 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, cancellation, then it will be 3 by 5.